Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog, hindi ko na first day of school. 1 week na rin nag-start, since nag-start yung school. Pero Monday lang, nung Monday, yun yung first day ko. Yun yung unang pasok. Tapos the following days, nawala na ng pasok. Na-suspend na kasi may bagyo. And ngayon na lang ulit. Wednesday ngayon. What time is it? Currently 5:34. Kailangan ko lang pala umalis. 5:30 yung biyahe ko, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Tapos ang pasok ko 7. So, saan hindi ako ma-late. Alis na, kids. Naka ako. And look at my web. Super lucky kasi super dami na din siya. Para bang laki niya pero
time-lapse.
bibidyohan ko yung kadaldalan mo.
Okay.
Ang ganda ko pala.
Diyos ko.
Asa nandito lang yung speaker sa akin?
Wala kaya. Alam niya na ba? Kasi di pa niya alam niya.
Nakwento niya na siguro. Baka.
Lagi. Ganito ka.
Sa terminology, X is independent variable, Y is dependent variable, F is the process, that's the name of the function.
Hi guys, so ayun, uwian na namin. Thank you Lord na paagang uwi namin. Dapat ang out namin is 5 PM. Ewan ko bakit ang aga pagdating ko, hala alis na kami, ganun ang atake. So it's currently 4:30 pa lang and uuwi na kami. Tingnan nyo, naulan, but walang ulan-ulan pagka gustong umuwi. I really wanna go home na talaga. So, yun. May dala akong bread. Kasi I'm too hungry. I want to eat. And yun. Let's just walk and walk and walk. Look at the things that I'll be doing. So yun lang. Bye! Hi guys, nagutom ako. As in, hindi ko alam ba't ako nagutom pero I'm gonna go eat sa Jollibee! Look guys, it's raining so hard. I miss this so much. Sarap. Thank you Lord for the food. You're the best talaga. Hi guys, so I'm done eating. Taob ang plato. Pero yun, I'm gonna go home na. Hanggang gagabi na rin. So, may gagawin pa ako sa bahay mamaya. And yun, tomorrow we'll be having our leaf walk. And stay tuned kung a-attend ako. Pero gusto ko umattend kasi sabi masaya daw. But at the same time, it's 7 a.m. in the morning. And ewan ko kung kaya ko bang gumora. It's 7 a.m. Pero still, let's see if gugora ba ako or no. But I want to go. And tomorrow, wala kaming pasok. It's Thursday. So, basically, ang pasok namin, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Saturday, NSTP lang. But yun, ewan ko kung tutuloy ako for leaf walk tomorrow. But let's just see if I'm gonna go or not. Ewan ko. Tingnan na lang natin tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna make a separate vlog for it or pagsasamahin ko na sila dito. But stay tuned. Pero yan, uuwi na ako. Bye-bye! Nakawagin na ako dito, guys! Pero okay lang, hindi naman na nababasa. Sobrang helpful talaga ng bike sa mundong to.